from RVing TV. Today we're going to take a look at a fairly new floor plan by Cruiser RV for the Shadow Cruiser line. It's a 259 BHS travel trailer. The Shadow Cruiser is an ultra-light travel trailer. This 259 will weigh in at approximately 5,689 pounds dry weight. Well, the reason it's so light is we have a nice large slide inside, but it is a 5-sided aluminum, so your side walls, front and rear walls, and roof structure are all aluminum. Then it's bonded to a heavy-duty steel frame, and Cruiser states that their frames have more cross members than the industry standard, so that you don't get that twist. You have extra rigidity when you pull your trailer down the road. Let's take a look at some of the great features of this 259. You're going to notice the awning that goes from ahead of the door all the way to the back of the trailer. So really gives you major coverage for your camping. They have the Sure Step that is being utilized, so nice and sturdy. It's a full fiberglass exterior. The 259 comes with an outside kitchen, so you have 2 burners, a sink, and what I like about these sinks is they're plumbed into the holding tank. They're not the little bins that have to be emptied out, as well as a mini fridge. And then back around here, this unit has been optioned in. It is an option, but very easy for to be put on, is the bumper mounted barbecue. So this is the mount. There's a stainless steel barbecue inside. The unit is also prepped for backup camera, so it's a plug and play, very easy to do. And the unit has front and rear power stabilizers. So there's our button right there, and we'll have another one up front. Big LED light strip, as well as speakers with LED lighting that light up, so we can listen to our music outside. Now, one last feature we'll look at before we go inside. Nice large compartment doors. And the Shadow Cruiser has the doors the same size on both sides of the trailer, where typically you get a smaller door on the other side. So I really like this idea. If your gear shifts, you can get it from either side. Big LED light strip in the storage area, and you'll notice it's a very clean and finished storage area. When we look up, you'll notice the aluminum supports for the bed, and that's actually plywood. Tongue and groove plywood that's being used here for the bed. The reason for that is the floors of the Shadow Cruiser are actually tongue and groove plywood. What's also nice, this sits on large axles. Shadow Cruiser uses the Dexter Never Adjust axles, meaning that the brakes never have to be adjusted. They are self-adjusting brakes. And using the Dexter axles, this trailer actually has just over 2,000 pounds of cargo capacity. So really great capacity. When you walk in, you're going to notice the trifold sofa. So nice, easy, big sleeping area. You can see back here how the pillows will come out, and then that bed will flip open. You have a nice large dinette with doors to gain access to underneath the dinette. Now we're taking a look at their brand new woods for 2020. Very light gray wood, which is really beautiful, really opens it up. And then they've gone with a floor that has a herringbone look in it. Very elegant. Your TV would be placed right here, and you'll notice as we look up in some of the cabinets, there's LED backlighting in those cabinets. So you have several choices for lighting in here. Really good kitchen area, large sink with sink cover, and it's a stainless steel sink, of course. Big windows throughout. Now the 259 has double over double bunks. So really great sleeping, but also can be used for couples for extra storage. I love the bathroom in this unit. Nice large bathroom, good countertop and storage space. Window in here as well, lots of light for an overcast day. Has the built-in shower curtain the self-cleaning shower curtain, and the large 30 by 36 inch shower pan. So you have a nice large shower, also an area to put some of your linens and hang your towels so that they air dry. Very open floor plan. Now we have our residential fridge here, our 12-volt fridge, and it's a nice large fridge. So when we open it up, you'll notice big freezer, big fridge. Windows in the slides, windows next to our sofa, and as we come around to the front, the Shadow Cruisers all utilize a residential queen bed, big foam mattress. We have windows across the bed so you can get natural ventilation. Nice big wardrobes, and they've done a great job with the storage above as well, and even individual reading lights. And behind the reading lights we actually have little storage nook back here so you can put glasses, your phone, etc. Now what I like that they've done for 2020 is they've gotten rid of the traditional flip up storage under the bed. They've made it a big pass-through, so you'll notice we have two big boxes here. One is the box with the attachments, etc., and the second box is actually the barbecue, and it makes it nice and easy to get them and pull them out. And you notice they put some lighting down here to help you as well. Also great for pets. Dogs will love to be able to go under there. Even cats have a little space of their own. If you have a cat, you could even put the litter underneath and it's out of your way while you're camping. So if you're in the market for an ultra lightweight unit, looking for something that has a lot of sleeping flexibility as well as great living capability for just a couple, the 259 BHS is pretty impressive. Take a look at it. I think you'll be really happy. For more information on this unit, we viewed this at Bella Vista RV. Their website is www.bellavista.rv.com. Well, this is Bruno from RVing TV saying thank you for viewing our video on the 2020 Shadow Cruiser 259 BHS. If you liked the video, please click the like button. Feel free to subscribe, and you'll be notified of new videos as they become available. Thank you, and have yourself a safe and happy camping season.